slow. Keep going. See? Turn. See? You want to work with the weak side. This is the power hand, right? This is the hand. See? This is your weak hand. We got to make it strong hand. Okay? Weak hand, strong hand. Okay? From the back. Turn to the back. That vertical punch is a very powerful punch, man. Very powerful. Okay, now hold it up. Now give me 2 coming forward. Slow, and 2 going back. See? 2 coming forward. 2 coming back. See, when you come forward, push forward. Push. 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 See, you can either push slide or you can step slide. Now push. 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 Push back. Push. Push. Now step slide. Step. Step. Now step back. Step. Step. See, this is a June fan Jeet condom. This ain't that crap out there in Cali, man. This is Dawadah, man. That's right, man. We in the house, man. Switch your stance, man. Okay? Come forward. Go. Now go back. Right. Keep punching from the center line. That's how you get power. Center. Okay? And when you punch, you want to turn into it. Turn into it. Turn. Come on. Back. Okay? That's good. That's good, man. That's good. See, now keep the hand straight to the center. Switch your stance. Switch your stance. There you go. Switch your stance again. Switch your stance. Switch your stance. Switch your stance. Switch your stance. It doesn't matter what stance you in, man. You could be here. Okay, mirror the stance, switch your stance, man. He could be here. It doesn't matter. Okay? We doesn't. Okay? Exactly. Keep switching. Keep switching. You can come here, and then we switch. You constantly switch. You constantly switch. Constantly switch. Constantly switch. Right. Come forward. Forward. Okay, good. I like that, man. Do that when you go forward. Forward. Come back. Come forward. 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 Now come back. Go back. Forward. Come back. Come forward. 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 Now go back. Go back. Go back. Come forward. Go back. Go back. You go back, you hold your hand, you do the same. You use your footwork to pull you back. When I punch, you use your footwork to pull you back. See, that's the main thing. Now you come forward. Boom. See, you use the footwork again to come back. You come back, and then you come forward. See, boom, boom, boom. See, you can even fake it like you did, and then you come forward. Fake it, and then come boom. See, go back. Boom, see, and then you hit. Boom, you understand? Go back. And hit. See, go back. See, and hit. Boom. Then come forward. Come forward. Come forward. And then bomb. See, this is the boxing, man. Jeet can go boxing. It takes it with the footwork and the movement, man. Okay? We have push slide, step slide, okay, pendulum step, shuffling. Okay, this is all the footwork, man. Keep moving, man. Okay? Going back, coming forward. Going back, 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 back. See? Come forward twice. Go back. Always punch from the center. Come from the center. Okay. The punch comes from the center, so you can turn into it. It's a quick punch, man. Okay. Okay. You have the vertical, and you also have the back. Okay. Back is a quick punch, man. Okay. With Lee's, one of Lee's favorites. Okay. Next to the finger jack. Okay. Next to the finger jack. The finger jack was one of Lee's favorite techniques, man. Okay. It allows more distance than the modern day jab, man. Okay? Allows more distance. See, from here I can't get you, but now I can reach you. Same thing with the eyes, man. Okay? From the third form, we in trouble, Bill Jeet, man. Okay? Go back. Go back. Come forward. 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 Go back. Back. Forward. Back. Forward. 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 Back. 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 Keep the distance, keep the bomb, keep the structure, and watch your footwork. Okay? Step it again. Boom. Again. Again. Now go back. 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 Come forward. 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 No, just come forward. Forward. See, now go back. See? Go back. Go back. Come forward. See? Back. Forward. See? See? Fighting is distance, man. It's learning how to control that distance. Stay right there, man. It's learning to control this distance. Stay right there. Okay? Stay right there. This is the distance that you have to learn how to control. Okay? This is kicking range. Okay? This is hand range. Okay? My trapping range. Okay? And then we also have grappling range, man. We go into all sorts of locks and holds. Okay, hold the hands up again, man. This is kicking range. Okay, that's what Jeet Kune is, man. It's a mixture of 4 ranges, man. Okay, again, this is our kicking range. Boom. Okay, kicking range. Boom. Okay, stop kick. Stop kick. Okay, side kick. Okay, side kick. Snap kick. Okay. Then we have hand range. Okay. All our hands, technically. Okay. All our hands. Slowly go to jab. Go at the cross. Go to jab. Here. Go to cross again. See? Right at me. Go straight. See? Pops out. Pops out. Okay. Pop. Okay. Pops out. Okay. Pop. Excuse me. See? Pop. Stop. See? Bounce out. See? Go to punch. This is blocking, man. Go to the next punch. These are traps. Okay? Go to punch. Okay? These are blocks. Go to the next punch. These are blocks. Okay? Go to the next punch. This is parry. That's parry. Okay? Boom. Boom. Parry. Parry and trap. Okay? Inside parry. Boom. Straight parry. Parry shows you to redirect. Go to punch. That's a parry. Go to straight. See? That's a parry. Again. Parry. Okay? Parry. Parry. Go to straight. 1, 2. 1, 2. See? These are parry. 1, 2. Parry. Go back. 1, 2. See? Go to jab. Go to jab. See? And keep stepping back. Go and step back. Boom. Step back. See? Go and step back. Go and step back. See? Stop. You want to throw it and then step back. Throw it and then step back. That's going to show you and teach you how to attack. Okay? Just sit there and the same way that he was working with the mid, you want to do. Just strike and come forward. See? Parry here. Boom. Parry here. Okay? Trap there. Okay? Block. Trap. Okay? Hook. Okay? Hook. Okay? Hook. The hook is the counter to the jab. No matter how he comes so slow, his hook comes high. Okay? Move. Move. Okay? This is Dawadah, man. I'm signing out, man. Come to class, man. Study hard. You know the way, man.
Center line, David.
Accuracy. Accuracy. What's the missile? Accuracy.
Yes. Shut it up.
You in the ring.
Hit him, Dave. Hit him one good time.
Focus. Accuracy.
Easy one,
There you
right?
go. Put some pressure on him.
I just want him to get it about the same.
Jab, jab. Accuracy. Forward.
Walk him right over here, Dave. There you go.
Yeah, accuracy, accuracy, my dude. There you go.
Bring yourself. That's it.
That's
There you go. There you go. Missile.
Good shit.
Accuracy. That's the same punch you hit people.
Winner by TKO. Round 1, 106. Dawadah of Dawadah.
All the way past together. That's how you learn. So quick. That's real pro. Then you move a little. Now you're from 70, 30, you have to be 50. See? 50. see? This is what you're going to do and working when you put it. And you have to be here. No, don't worry. I'm just giving you what I see. Because normally we work here.